You've heard the buzz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, it's everywhere. Maybe it sounds exciting, maybe intimidating, but here's the truth. You don't need a fortune or a tech degree to start. The world of crypto is open to everyone, even if you only have a few dollars. Think of crypto as digital money, secured by a public ledger called the blockchain. When you buy crypto, you own a piece of this new, decentralized network. You don't need to master every technical detail. Just be curious and start small. Forget the myth that you need thousands to invest. You can start with as little as $20. Starting small is smart. Crypto prices can swing wildly, so it's best to learn with money you can afford to lose. This guide is your shallow end. We'll walk through the basics together, step by step. We'll cover how to pick a safe exchange, set up your account, and make your first trade. No jargon, just clear, practical advice for beginners. By the end, you'll have the confidence to take your first step into crypto. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's begin your crypto adventure. Your future self might thank you. Let's dive in. First, you need a place to buy crypto, a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a stock market for digital currencies. Choose a reputable, secure, and beginner-friendly platform like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. Do a little research, check reviews, security features, and fees. Prioritize ease of use and strong security, especially two-factor authentication, 2FA. Once you've picked an exchange, create your account, just like opening a bank account online. You'll provide your name, address, email, and a government-issued ID. This identity check, called KYC, is standard and keeps things safe. After submitting your info, the exchange will verify your identity. This can take minutes or a couple of days. While you wait, set a strong, unique password for your account. Never reuse passwords. Treat your crypto account like your bank. Security is your first line of defense. Now, you're ready to fund your account. Your account's ready. Time to add funds. Most exchanges let you deposit via bank transfer or debit card. Bank transfers are cheaper but slower. Debit cards are faster but may cost more. Start with an amount you're comfortable with. Even $20 or $50 is fine. Once your money's in, head to the buy-sell section. Stick with well-known coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum for your first purchase. You don't need to buy a whole coin, just a fraction. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the transaction, and confirm. Congratulations, you now own cryptocurrency. Check your portfolio to see your new balance. You've just taken your first step into the crypto world. Remember, learning by doing is the best way forward. Hold, observe, and think about your long-term goals. You're officially a crypto investor. Now let's keep your crypto safe. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, with an authenticator app. Don't skip this. Be alert for scams. No one can guarantee profits, and no legit platform will ask for your password or private keys. Ignore unsolicited messages offering investment help or promising to multiply your crypto. Stay skeptical and protect your assets. Don't panic if prices drop. Crypto is volatile. Avoid emotional decisions and remember your long-term plan. Starting small helps you stay calm during market swings. Patience is key. Keep learning. This is just the beginning. Subscribe for more simple crypto guides. For a deeper dive, check out our full Crypto Trading 101 course on our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.